What roles are involved in supply chain logistics and inventory management? Supply chain logistics involves a complex network of roles and responsibilities, with supply chain managers overseeing everything from manufacturing, packaging, inventory, and delivery. Some key roles involved in supply chain logistics include procurement. This role involves sourcing and purchasing raw materials, components, and goods from suppliers. Production manufacturing. Once the necessary materials are procured, this role oversees the production or manufacturing of goods. Distribution transportation. This role manages the movement of goods from production facilities to distribution centers or directly to customers. Supply chain management professionals are crucial in optimizing logistics operations, managing complex international shipping networks, and contributing to a company's success. Curious about comprehensive insights into logistics roles? Dive into our latest video tailored just for you.